Hello, thank you for joining me today. I am Maxwell. Kingdom Marketing Strategies Part 1, how to grow your business with biblical principles. How can you market your business as a Christian without being so pushy, without being so manipulative, without being overly salesy? Jesus had the greatest following in history without running ads. Have you thought about that? That Jesus never ran ads. That Jesus never ran any promo of any sort. There was no social media in their own time. John the Baptist the same. All the greatest prophets that gained so much crowd in followership, they never ran ads. Jesus never used clickbait. He never used pressuring people's strategy. All those type of strategies that mount pressure on people in order for them to buy into the gospel that he's preaching, in order for them to follow him in his teachings and doctrines. How? That is what I'll be sharing with you today. This is Faith and Fortune Finance. We teach you how to market, how to invest, how to save, how to transform your ideas into productivity, living a debt-free life. How can you market your business today? In this competitive world, in different field of endeavor, there are a lot of competitions going on. A lot of people are overwhelmed by so much competition that they feel they cannot be able to meet up the challenge to market effectively and make profit. That is not true. All you need is the right principle. In today's video, I will share with you kingdom marketing strategies that will help you attract customers God's way while growing your business. Let's quickly get started. What is kingdom marketing? You may be asking. Proverbs 16 verse 3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and he will establish your plans. Kingdom marketing equals serving. That is kingdom marketing strategy. Serving, not selling. You have to serve first before selling. Marketing in the world is about pressuring people, persuading people to buy, even when there is no value. And they use clickbaits. They use different kind of content packaging and content promotions that are actually misleading. Kingdom marketing is about serving people so well that they on their own want to buy from you. That is kingdom marketing strategy. The best marketing isn't about manipulation. It is not about manipulation or falsification of things that are not real. More especially in these days of AI. You have a lot of AI generated content on the social media, on the internet, that sometimes there are misleading captions, clickbaits that make people to be dissatisfied at the end of their purchase. The best marketing is not about manipulation. Believe you me, it is not about manipulation, being so persuasive. It is about authenticity. It is about generosity. It is about trust. When the market trusts you, when your customers trust you so much, you are going to have a lot of sales. Matthew chapter 20 verse 26. Whoever wants to become great among you must be your servant. Biblical truth number 1. Serve first, sell second. That is biblical truth. If you're just watching, please make sure you like and share, and please subscribe to this channel. We upload new videos every Wednesday and every Sunday on this channel. Make the use of the information and other important links in the description below. When you focus on helping people, not just making money, you create customers who trust you and want to buy from you all the time. That's exactly how Jesus marketed the kingdom, by serving people first, by serving the people first, not manipulating the people, not extorting from the people. 5 biblical marketing strategies for your business to grow. 5 biblical marketing strategies that is going to blow your mind as your business grows. Number 1, share your story and testimony. Share your story and testimony. Revelation chapter 12 verse 11. They triumphed over him by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of their testimony. They triumphed over the devil by the blood of the Lamb, and not only the blood of the Lamb, but by the word of their testimony as well. The word of your testimony is so important, is so critical to your marketing strategies. What you say, what you tell as a story in your marketing is very important and aids in selling your product, selling your ideas. This is part 1. Please make sure that you also watch the part 2. Your story is your greatest marketing tool. People connect with stories, not sales pitches. People easily connect with stories. How did you start your business? For instance, how did I make my first 1 million naira? How did I make my first 5 million naira? I have made 5 million, I've made 10 million. Do you understand what I'm saying now? How did I make it? If I tell the story, it's going to blow the mind of everyone that is listening to me. But that's not the story I'm to tell here. I am here to guide you, okay? Why did you start your business? What struggles have you overcome? How has God worked in your journey so far? By sharing your testimony, you build trust and inspire people to support your business, to patronize your business, to buy into your idea, whatever is your business or what you are trying to sell or market. It is by your story. When you tell all these stories, why you started your business, what your struggles have been and you overcame, and how God has worked in the journey with you to bring you out to a place of excellence, that you become an authority in the field of your business as an entrepreneur. These stories that you tell, not fake stories, not unrealistic stories, but real stories, believe me, there's going to be a lot of sales for you. People are going to follow you. People are going to believe you. People are going to trust you. A lot of customers and clients are going to buy from you your ideas, your whatever is the concept that you're selling to them, you're trying to teach or impact on them. In order for you to generate money, they are going to buy. By sharing your testimony, you build trust and you inspire people to support your business. Number 2, provide value before asking for the sale. Provide value before asking for the sale. Luke chapter 6 verse 38. Give and it will be given to you. Give and it will be given to you. It is a principle that never fails at all times. Give first. That is what that principle is telling us. Give first. Give. Be the first to give. All the content on this channel, they are not special or reserved for paid membership. They are free. All I've been doing is free. Am I making profit? The answer is yes. How am I making the profit? That will be a video for another day. I am making profit by giving freely. Before you receive, you have to give. That is how the kingdom marketing strategy works. Give first, then receive later. Instead of just promoting your product, focus on educating, focus on inspiring, focus on helping people. And that is what I've been doing. By the way, this is not my only channel. I have another channel. This is my second channel. Because of the passion I have to impact finance knowledge on people, I created this channel to impact that knowledge, to educate people. I am a pastor. I pastor people. I counsel people. I come across people with different kind of financial questions, different kind of financial challenges, economic issues, business issues, and all that. And so I have discovered a lot of things that is making them to lose, a lot of things that have kept them stuck, a lot of things that have not really allowed them to make progress in their businesses as entrepreneurs. And because of this, I said, okay, I'm going to create this channel to educate people, to inspire people, to help people to lead a successful life by having or attaining financial freedom, by living a debt-free life. So give first. I am giving to you first. You've not given me anything yet. As you're watching this video now, what have you given to me? Okay. That's, by the way, you've given something. You have given your attention, okay? You have given your time by watching this video till now. So, but before you gave your attention, I first of all uploaded this video. I gave to you first. I gave to my audience first. I gave to my followers and subscribers first. The same in the church. As I mount the pulpit to preach to my members and all the people in attendance, I am giving to them first before they respond in giving their attention or sowing seed or giving anything that they feel that they want to give to support the ministry. That is how it works. Give first, then receive later. Instead of promoting your product, focus on educating, focus on inspiring people, focus on helping people, on helping humanity. Offer free content. This video is free. I'm offering it to you free. You are paying nothing apart from your data and apart from your time, okay? But there is no monetary exchange in this regard. What I'm offering to you now, what I'm giving to you now is free. Offer free content. It could be in video format, it could be in audio format, it could be a guide, it could be workshop, it could be training. Offer free content from time to time. but not that you're going to run an outfit or an organization that doesn't generate revenue, because you cannot sustain your business or your organization without generating revenue. But first of all, give, and then you receive later. And one of the ways to give is to offer free content. Give practical tips before selling. Give practical tips before selling. Build trust by providing real value. When you give first, customers are much likely to buy from you later. So we are going to continue from the part 2. We're going to continue from the part 2, and I'm going to see you again in the next video, which is the part 2. And please, before you log out, subscribe to this channel, share this video with someone that is so dear to you. Share with your followers. If you're a pastor, share with your members. And I will see you again in the part 2. God bless you, and bye-bye.